hey guys, I'm super focused.
Okay, so today is Saturday. Obviously, why the fuck did I say that? But we're gonna go to the Big Top Flea Market and we're gonna go thrifting. And I'm gonna vlog. Well, I'm gonna try to remember to vlog. So, yeah. Yo, it's cold as shit. It is so fucking cold.
It's so cold.
The wind is blowing
like so bad.
mad hard. And I don't even say that.
Okay, that's how you know.
But we're here. Let me stop. Oh, okay.
Get your ass out here.
Ooh, glasses. Let's get some glasses. I am happy.
Okay, it has like 80. Okay, sorry, let's see.
No, I don't see no purchase. I said purchase.
How you guys doing?
Good, how
Hello.
are you?
Good. Y'all been in before?
No, first
No.
time.
There's some girls that look a little bit like you've been in here.
Really?
Good leather, feel that. That's
Wow,
that is so.
That's
You can
genuine,
sleep
okay,
in that.
yes.
You know, it's a soft.
Yes, sir.
It's really tan nicely. Oh, here's Sturgis.
Oh, that's fine.
64
cute.
That's
years.
fine. Wait, how much is that one?
Every doctor and lawyer and Indian chief I know has gone to Sturgis. It's $15. If you like, you can have it for 10.
Okay.
And that's better.
These are collectible, guys. Those
Okay,
guys.
so we didn't get anything, but there was one shirt
I'm really.
that I was gonna get. It was $15.
It was a Sturgis shirt, which is I guess like
Yes.
a motorcycle thing, and it's
I
actually
should've
like a
got it on video.
collectible shirt. Like, and she was gonna get it for $10.
$10.
But
But they don't take card. Well, no, they took card, but where's the?
it's over there.
Oh,
We got charged.
damn, we really did. Her card thing died, and so we had to go to the ATM, but the ATM was out of order.
Out of order.
So
Okay, but now we're about to go to the Goodwill. I
Yes.
believe it's down that way. After that, I really don't know.
okay, so and now we're at Goodwill. Hopefully we found some good
She
stuff.
found a Sturgis shirt. I'm not gonna try this on. I'm just gonna
You done already tried on all your stuff, right?
no.
Okay.
These pants and then these. And then
Okay, okay, well.
I was gonna leave the hangers in here. Ultimately, they're gonna take them off anyways.
Well, oh wait, but I'm not getting.
Oh well, yeah. And if you add her on Snapchat, she already does like I don't know, like she does it on Snapchat. So like if you watch it on Snapchat, then when the video's uploaded, you have already seen it. But that's
Who?
besides the point.
You talking to them?
Yes.
Oh.
Not well. So yeah, when I do come back, we're gonna do a trip to the kids.
And it's gonna be fun as shit.
But yeah.
So freaking cute.
Yeah.
So cute.
Okay.
You gotta get it. Oh my gosh. I have drawstrings. Oh my gosh.
They're literally perfect though.
You guys.
You
Yes.
We're waiting for the dressing room. Oh, okay.
Okay, well, we're still trying on clothes. So.
I would not respond. So they're cute,
They are.
but then yeah, they're cute though. Like,
They are. And I like how the bottom are like not straight.
yeah. Well, these supposed to be super cut.
Bitch.
I like it a lot, and I think it looks cute on you. But it's like if you don't get it, you can find it. So it's not like a big mess.
So now we're at the community thrift store. I've come here a few times before and I've got, you know, a good amount of things. So I think Kayla's gonna do good because, you know, I'm on a bit of a budget now. So
There's really only
probably
one thing
get
I'm really,
one thing.
This is like,
Okay, so I found this jacket. I'm just in all luck today. Just some closet essentials, you know what I'm saying? Look at all these women's clothes. This is like way too fucking much. Like, I could be in here from open to close and still not get through everything. Okay, so Kayla has a $10 coupon. And the jacket that I want is $6.75. The army jacket. And that purse is $2.50. So, oh, $2.75. So we're gonna use it and get free stuff. Yay!
surprise. Oh, not surprise.
So this is the last one of the night. Salvation Army, here we come. Oh, it's nice and toasty. It smells weird. It really smells weird. I don't like it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I like how they're color coordinated. This is nice. This is nice, this jacket. Honestly, it's literally like cute as shit. Okay, so we are done thrifting. We're eating now. We have food. I got Steak and Shake and Wendy's. And she got Wendy's. I'm a fat bitch, so she's taking me home now. I'm gonna try on the clothes when I get to my house, if I remember, so y'all can get like a better view.
Or you can just do like a lookbook or like a thrift haul.
Oh yeah.
Like lookbook / thrift haul, whatever comes soon.
Okay, so part 2 of this vlog is coming soon. So stay tuned for that. Yeah. Oh my gosh, y'all. Steak and Shake has a honey smack milkshake. It is so fucking good. Like, if you like honey smacks, you're going to love this milkshake. Red light looks so good on black people.
It does. Where's my phone?
It's right there. It's so good. But yeah, so that is it. And yeah.
Yes, it has been a joy to be a part of this wonderful vlog. And I look forward to seeing more of you guys, seeing more of this channel. And yeah, see you when I get back.
Yes. Y'all will see her when she gets back.
Look, yeah. When I get back, yeah.
Make sure y'all subscribe. Bye guys.